Hello and welcome to the lecture. So what we're going to do here is we have checked the connection. The next we will do is display records. Okay, so we'll use the same index file and we'll enhance it further. Okay, so we know that the database has been connected. The next thing is you have to write an SQL statement. So we'll write our query here, and from PHP MyAdmin we have seen how to write a query, right? If you go to SQL, you know how to write a query, right? So let's write a query. Select asterisk from student table. All right, put a semicolon here, put a semicolon outside. Then let's do the statement. So we will do first, we will prepare the statement. Okay, so we'll prepare the statement, and for preparing the statement you have to pass the query. Okay, next you have to execute the query. Okay, once you execute the query, then you have to fetch the records. Okay, for fetching the records, what you can do is loop the records. We can write a while loop, and we can say student is equal to statement fetch. So this fetch will fetch the records for us one by one. Okay, and it will place it in the student. Now you can say ID and then student. This is basically an array, right? So we will use the field names, right? If you look at the field names here, structure, you have this field name, ID and name. So that's what we are passing, ID here, and then we'll fetch those records. Okay, once you are done fetching, you close the statement. All right, so very simple, right? We create the prepare statement with the query. The query is nothing but select asterisk from student. Then we have executed the query, then we are fetching it, right? And then we are closing it. So this is close the statement. Okay, so let's execute this program. So we go to this folder, right? So you can see the ID is 1, the ID2 is Jim. So we are able to fetch the records. If you look at the records that we have, let's close this tab. Right, if you look at the student table, you can see ID1 John Smith. Let's add one more, let's say 3, and we'll call it Linda. Go. Okay, so the records will be inserted now. So we have like 4 records, and then when you refresh the page, right, you should see the 4 records here. All right, and how to delete? Let's say you delete the records, and then you refresh, you're able to pull the 3 records. Okay, so the connectivity has been done, and we are also able to do an SQL statement. We are saying start asterisk from student, and then we say prepare that query, execute that query, then fetch the records. Okay, and the records will be as an array. Then you try to get that as an associative array, then you close the connection. Right, nothing fancy about it. It's very simple straightforward steps. 4 lines of code just to access a database, make a connection, access the database, execute the query, fetch the records, and close the connection. All right, so that's all about how to display the records. Next we'll understand how to insert the records.